Yo, it's Mr. Selfish, and today we're gonna make mushroom curry with kale. Beautiful, easy to make, now stay with me. Alright people, this is the final product, mushroom and kale curry. Not hard to make, so let's get started. We need some chopped onions, chopped mushrooms, chopped carrots, chopped bell peppers, chopped cherry tomatoes. I use sesame seed oil and some kale. First, you want to add your oil to a hot pan. Yeah, don't do what I did. And add your chopped onions, your bell peppers, your chopped cherry tomatoes, your carrots, and finally your mushrooms. Give them a good stir and make sure that every piece of vegetable is coated evenly with the oil. Now the best bit, all-purpose seasonings, what I started with for the seasoning. Curry powder, I use Madras powder, chili powder, pink salt, and make sure you give that a good stir. All over. Make love to the pan, man. Make love to the pan. And let those flavors marry together. Leave that for a good 5 minutes, then add your creamed coconut. I forgot to add this in the start part, but yeah, this is easy to get. And then the next step, you want to boil the kettle and pour on some hot boiling water. What this is going to do is help the coconut to melt. This really helps bring the creamy taste to the curry, and it also helps to thicken it too. So make sure you keep moving the coconut around and let it spread around the pan. Now, after leaving it for 10-15 minutes, it should have thickened and looked like this. Now, after washing the kale, it's time to add it to the pan. Make sure you give it a good stir also. Add some more boiling water to help the kale to cook and leave it all to simmer together. And now you are done. I liked mine with some white rice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.